cleaning, heading off to my first and only job. Quite a large job actually. It's a tile cleaning job today. It's over about, I think about 1,100 square feet. Yeah, we're also going to be sealing it. So I got a ton of videos to upload. I've been uploading a little slow lately, but a lot of things been going on. I just had a ride along. Isaiah came down from North Carolina, hung out for a couple days. I kind of showed him the ropes of carpet cleaning because he wants to expand his business. He's a pressure washer, very successful where he's at, and he's also an entrepreneur that likes to teach people how to get started in business and stuff. So he's got an awesome YouTube channel called Zay Wonder Journal. I will put the link below, and check him out, subscribe. If you want to get inspired or just kind of thinking about adding to your services, pressure washing, go for it, guys. So stay tuned, we'll see you there. All right, guys, showed up to the home, and yeah, they're just moving stuff in, but not everything's in here at all right now, luckily. A few things we're gonna have to move around, but as you can tell, look at all this. Large areas, mostly, which is, I like. Yeah, you could tell the grout is really real dirty. It's a must to do. Now they were actually, the husband was only thinking it was going to be like $300, but obviously he didn't know the cost to do it. So I did the estimate and they approved it yesterday actually, and so they needed it done today, and so here I am. Luckily I had a cancellation, and actually 2 cancellations. They're both medium-sized jobs, but it all worked out for the best because this is a whole lot more profitable, and I'd rather be doing this anyway. Trying to get some light in here, guys. I'll figure that out. Okay, so whole bunch. But I can tell you right now that this grout's gonna look amazing when we're done. They're gonna be really happy. So yeah, some really dark places in here. So we're gonna start back here, bathroom. Or then we're gonna go back here, hit this porcelain tile real quick, and then work our way out. I think I'm in one of these large areas. I'm gonna bring out my my black brush on my 175, do a real quick, thorough scrub. Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? So we're using carpet detail. I only got about this tank 2 gallons and about maybe another gallon. So I'm hoping we get through this job. If not, I do have some grout master. So. So I'm just getting this saturated, that way he can pre-scrub and I can pull the hoses, get ready to extract. Right now it's about, we got here at 10 o'clock, so we'll see how long this job takes. Stay tuned. Yeah, so man, not gonna need that. customers will be coming in and out, so I just want to make sure they get it. But put one of those down. And that's the black brush I'm going to use today. Me too. Look at how all we did is pre-spray it and some agitation. Now look at that. It's going to be really easy to clean. All right, I'm going to start up the machine.
it up? What are you doing?
Let's get most water up and then.
Alright.
So now we're just going around doing some detail, wiping down the floorboards, and we go around with the brush and some spotter. If I see anything that didn't go, it's usually underneath the counters. Kind of go through there, do a spot, scrub, and use a microfiber rag and soak it up. Especially when you're doing this much area, you're bound to have some problem areas. Under the counters, close to the walls, are always the toughest. See, they just scattered right there. Just line. That's because I was moving too quick with the spotter or the spinner in that area. But easy fix. All right, so we're drying. As you can tell, I don't have the fancy old fan. I do have a different fan. It's called the Pod, but this sucker really pumps out good. And yeah, I haven't really invested in the big fans yet. They just take too much room on my van. I'm trying to conserve. The little pods are great, but when you're doing large areas like this, as much air movement as you can get. As we were doing half the house, I was cleaning half the house. Aaron was sealing the other half of the house that I finished. You could tell this grout and tile came out beautiful. A little staining here and there, but we're gonna seal it. So he's out putting everything away. I'm just gonna kind of show you how I do the sealing. So I got a little pump up sprayer. Okay. This is Sager's Super Sealer I have in here. So what you do is you spray it away from the wall, you know, a foot or two. Make sure you get plenty there, right? It's like you're spraying carpet. I have this jetting out a little bit more of a stream than I'd be doing carpet, but the reason why you go away from the wall so you don't get any on the wall. Then you take your microfiber. I gotta change that. Stay tuned. All right, so I had the wrong microfiber on there. customers took a peek in the front door and they were blown away. They said it doesn't even look like the same floor. And that's not even fully dry, so wait till they see the actual tomorrow, 24 hours, to get fully dry, to where the grout is fully dry and lightens up all the way. I like to say every day that goes by they love it more and more and more. Customer told me that. So like 24 hours, 48 hours, you're gonna see final results on your grout lines. With this Sager Super Sealer, you really want to you dry it first with the fans, then you can seal it, and then take the fans off of it. So you can tell I turned my fan the other way, so it's drying that other area, so I can walk my way out. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then go ahead and put the fans on it, or just let it dry. Beautiful.